Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cra'Deja. If you've never been here before, today we are going to be installing this beautiful honey blonde wig that you guys seen in the earlier clips. You already know I'm going to go ahead and jump straight into it and start by cutting off my bald cap. Y'all already know I do this in every video. It's pretty self-explanatory. Y'all already know what to do. I really don't take my bald cap too seriously when it comes down to cutting it and getting it perfect, because I usually just lay it down with the glue. So yeah, just do what you gotta do, and yeah, just, you know, make it look good. So I think here I started off putting on the wrong makeup. I didn't really like this shade much, but it wasn't too far off, and I ended up switching it to another. So everybody keep asking me, oh, what makeup brand do you use? I use Ruby Kisses. I've always used Ruby Kisses. I love Ruby Kisses, even though the shade range isn't as inclusive as I feel like it should be. I mean, it's drugstore makeup, so what can you really expect? But that's what I use. I believe I'm in the shade 11 or 10, one of those. So yeah, just find some makeup that fits your complexion perfectly, and you should be good. I don't know why I put these two braids in my hair like this. It didn't really interfere with the install much, but yeah, y'all don't do that. Like, if you're going to put your braids in there, make sure they're good, make sure they're flat, because I ended up twisting my braids to the front of my hair, if that makes sense. But yeah, do your little ball cap method and make it look nice. So of course you want to use the same complexion, if not lighter, than what you did on your own bald cap. Put that on the lace so that you can make it blend. Some people don't like to use makeup at all. Some people only like to use lace tint, and vice versa. I mean I do what it takes. Like, whatever's going to get me where I need to be, that's what I'm going to do. And this method works for me, it works for my clients, so I'm going to stick to, I'm going to stick to what works. I did do a tutorial on how I pluck this wig, and it should be the video that dropped before this one, so definitely go check that out if you guys want to learn how to pluck a lace frontal closure, whatever you want to call it. I will be doing more in-depth videos on my website, so I'm just trying to get that up and running and legitimize. That's it, right? Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. So yeah, I am going to be using Gummy glue today. I usually use Erica J glue, but I ran out, so today we are using Gummy glue by Imaslayyobae. And honestly, I feel like this glue is just as good as Erica's. I'm not even kidding. Like, it's really good as well. So if Erica's ever out of stock, just grab you some Gummy glue, because it works just as good. I don't know why this little piece around my eyebrow like was tripping, but it really was irritating me, like really bad. But yeah, they were irritating me. I believe I did 2 or 3 layers. I think I did 3 layers, because I thought I was gonna put this hair up in like a higher bun than what I actually did. So I was like, okay, well, let me put a little extra layer to make sure my lace isn't, shifting or nothing. But it definitely did not. I still don't have any lifting or anything like that, and I still have the wig on currently as I'm making this voiceover. But yeah, do what you gotta do, girl, or boy, or whatever. I always try to place my lace like right in front of where I started my hairline. I don't know, sometimes I'm a little lazy with my hair, so I don't carve out the hairline perfectly like I do my clients. And another rule of thumb, you guys can kind of see how my forehead is furrowing. You don't want that because that can cause bunching in your lace. Even though my lace did not bunch, because I corrected myself before I actually laid it down. So yeah. This is giving me scalp already, honey. Yep, take my hot comb, lay it back. Like I said, I was going to put this in the ponytail, so it only made sense to go ahead and go in with my hot comb. My fiance was not there with me in this video to secure down the back of my hair, so it wasn't loose, but I mean, I definitely had trouble trying to put it on. So just make sure your wig is secured, because if you're going to pin your hair up or put it in any type of ponytail, you're going to want to make sure that it's laying flat in the back and not causing any, lumps or whatever. Always make sure you cut as close as possible to the lace, y'all. This wig is so pretty. At first, I didn't really care for it, but it kind of did grow on me because I'm not really the type of person that do color much. But I mean, I definitely enjoyed it. And I did go in and darken the roots just a little bit because I felt like, I don't know, I feel like I didn't want it to wash me out much, and that's what I thought it was doing. So continue laying down your lace. Everything is self-explanatory. If you guys want in-depth videos, definitely stay tuned for more classes and stuff that I will be doing. I will be starting to post more on the community tab, so look forward to that. But yeah, this is just like a quick little brief, tutorial of what I do every day. I was genuinely surprised at how soft this wig was. Like, for it to have been processed, wow, like it was really soft. Really soft. So it's definitely worth the purchase. The lace is great, the hair is great. As long as you get a bomb stylist, you in there. So you're gonna want to go ahead and just pretty much lay down the extra pieces that you did not catch. I use the hair that I'm actually going to use for baby hairs, but I highly suggest, if you don't plan on doing any baby hairs on your install, do not pull your hair forward like this. It's going to be kind of a little messy, I would say, because I mean, it's glue. So if you want to try to peel it back, the glue is going to, yeah, just don't do it, pretty much. Just don't do it. So this is just what I do to prep myself to do my baby hairs. And I know y'all keep asking for a baby hair tutorial, but it is so hard to record a tutorial without having someone there at the studio with me. So as soon as I can get someone to help me record my next install, I will definitely be doing that for you guys. So like I said, it's very hard for me to record that part of the video. So I just went ahead and parted my hair down the middle, did my baby hairs, and now I'm getting ready to press the hair out and style it. I did do two installs, but I did two styles. I did style and I did style 1 and I did style 2. So y'all just let me know down in the comment section below which style y'all like best. Me personally, definitely style 2. It was more me, I would say, but style 1 definitely was cute. It's popular style running around on the internet. So yeah, it's just good to kind of see what all you can do and whatnot. So here's style 1, and then here is style 2. Kind of wasn't feeling it at first, but I don't know, I really like it now that I'm just sitting back and watching it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to follow at Hair by Cra'Deja on Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube. Comment down below. And I'll see you guys for my next one. Bye.